Welcome to my story cartoon. Once upon a time, a crafty jackal and a flock of sheep coexisted in a deep woodland. The sheep were seen as innocent and charitable, whereas the jackal was infamous for his cunning tactics. The jackal became really thirsty on a particularly hot day. His throat was dry, and all he could think about was water. He traversed the woodland aimlessly looking for a pond or stream, but he came up empty-handed. Finally, he came to a well. Thrilled, he went to the well to quench his thirst, but unfortunately, he tripped and fell into the well out of haste and tiredness. However hard he tried, he was unable to escape. The jackal became more and more frantic as time went on. The sound of hooves suddenly caught his attention. A herd of sheep was strolling by, grazing, and following their customary route. The jackal shouted help, help, as loudly as he could. The sheep approached the well carefully after hearing the call. "Aw shucks. One sheep passed. How did you get there?" "I slipped, and I can't get out now." The jackal begged, "Would you kindly assist me, please?" Although the sheep wanted to assist, they were unsure on how to proceed. All of their efforts to lower some branches and vines were unsuccessful. The jackal had a thought just then. "The water down here is actually rather wonderful, you know. Would you mind entering and joining me? Then I'll assist you in exiting as well. I'll jump out while standing on your back." Though they were wary at first, the sheep ultimately chose to believe the jackal. A daring sheep dived into the well. The jackal was able to quickly mount the sheep's back and emerge from the well. He fled without turning around, staying true to his cunning nature and abandoning the sheep. "I swear I'll be back to assist you," he lied before vanishing into the woods and never coming back. The sheep, now in a terrible predicament, felt betrayed but also gained an important lesson. They eventually succeeded in escaping thanks to the herd's combined efforts, which included chugging the lost sheep out using vines and branches. The sheep decided never to trust the crafty jackal again and became more careful than ever after that day. As a result, the jackal continued to be shunned and represented betrayal while the sheep matured and learned to strike a balance between their inherent kindness and their increased caution.